all things snow. And every winter, what I look forward to the most is flying to Colorado and getting to enjoy my favorite winter adventures.
For the sun to shine in.
Snowmobiling is always an adventure. You're driving really fast, the trails are super fun, and the views are breathtaking. We were fortunate to have fresh snow every day. It was literally a winter wonderland trip. But that came with skies that were mostly overcast and dark. Now, don't get me wrong, this area is beautiful regardless. But just for reference, I'll add some pictures of those same trails from 2 years ago that shows just how incredible they look with the blue skies. I mean, the contrast is stunning. There's absolutely no filter or editing in these. It's just raw nature. Tubing has a way of making me feel like a little kid again, no lies. Last time I was in the area, I was super bummed because it was all sold out the days I was there. But this time, oh no, I was on a mission. I wrote down the reservation opening date for the season and I called them up first thing in the morning that day. No messing around, I wasn't gonna let anyone snatch away my fun this time. Skiing is hands down my favorite winter activity, even though it seems like skiing doesn't feel the same way about me. Like, it's kind of funny how much I enjoy it despite being, let's say, not the best skier on the slopes. No compliments needed, I'm all about being self-aware. Now, let's just be real, I'm an awful skier. Honestly, I spend more time skiing sideways trying not to speed up than actually facing down the mountain. But you know what? I still have a blast, and I'm not letting ski win. I figured out which runs I'm comfortable with, and I've got a game plan for getting better before next season. Colorado, watch out. I'll be back, and I'm bringing my A game.